Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have SAND Daily Update. We are going to see the next price targets. Are we going to correct even more? What are the best buying entries? And I hope you're having the best day of your life. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support. Let's go and dive into a non-biased technical analysis real quickly. So what we have right here is that after approaching the 3.45 Tether USD, we are correcting from there, and we have gone to the 1 unit of price per 3 units of time, the GANN fan line you can see right there. And now we want to see if we go to the 1-2. Yes, I have squared the chart from this bottom right there, 31st October, up to this top 30 November. Okay, so I will just post also the GANN fan tutorial in case you do not know how to do it. You can find it in this video, and let's proceed quickly into the support levels. You can see that we closed a little bit beyond the 1-3. I think that we are going to the 1-2 right now. If we go sideways, then we won't be losing much, but if we go fast there, then we might be getting to the 2.32, 2.29 and so on. We are going to see the price targets in the price analysis section, so if you do not have the time, please click on the timestamps and you can get there easily, finding all the answers you need. Okay, so right now we are going to dive into the MACD, and the MACD right here you can see it is dropping so low. Okay, this is good actually. This is very good for the SAND because we haven't gone yet so down, and the MACD right there has gone so further down. Okay, you can see it has approached these levels right there, so it is very good that we are holding. We had a 32%, which, trust me, it is not so much in the cryptocurrency space. Okay, and the MACD, the blue line right here, has crossed down the signal line, the orange line, and we have gone down so much. Okay, let's go to the risk metrics. Right now, on the risk metrics, you can see that we have a lower high pattern, lower low on the RSI. The commodity channel index was in an oversold, but it keeps going into an oversold, pumping up, keeps going into an oversold, pumping up again. So it is a little bit bearish, and the stochastic RSI is going into an overbought. What I'm seeing right here is that we are finding rejection on the 20-day EMA, and if we keep finding rejection on the 20-day EMA, we will be dropping down. Okay, at the same time, we do not hold an extreme oversold situation, and the stochastic RSI is going into an overbought. That's what scares me a little bit more, but we're going to see more details soon. Let's go to the daily frame right there, and you can see on the daily frame we are going very nicely into an oversold situation with the stochastic RSI. Yes, we can correct even more. However, around this area it would be a great buying re-entry. You can see right now that with the 20-day EMA is far down from the price. When this happens, we have a very high risk. Okay, when this happens and we have a little bit of a very high, huge gap between the price and the 20-day EMA, we are having a high risk, and therefore we might want to let the 20-day EMA reach the price so we can fuel up and go even higher. For the time being though, you can see that the commodity channel index is was in an extreme overbought, the RSI as well. The cut right here is smiling so much, you can see right there, because the stochastic RSI is going down. Now we are not into an oversold, but we do not have to get into an oversold on the daily, of course, to have a buying entry. Okay, so we are going to SAND Bitcoin chart right here. According to the SSL hybrid, we have a buying entry, we have a buying opportunity right here, but we are getting rejected on the 20-day and the 50-day EMA. So I want you to be a little bit careful, because right now this is not good. The fact that we get rejected on the 50-day EMA again and again is not so good. Okay, and the fact that the stochastic RSI is going into an overbought situation apart from that. All right, so therefore, it is not impossible to have a bearish cross right there for SAND against Bitcoin chart. We are going to find some short-term support levels right there. And in case you haven't seen, we closed a little bit down from the 0.618. I will say that we hold the 0.618 line. Okay, we hold the 0.618 line. So this whole area right there is a strong support level. But at the same time, it isn't good that we drop down. We might be getting into the support level as well. Let me just put the price label on 0.403240 for SAND in case we correct a little bit more, in which I think might be the case, seeing the pattern right there, seeing the risk metrics on the daily frame. We need to let the 20-day EMA reaching the price just like the SAND USDT chart right there. And of course, the best part is that we are going into an oversold situation with the stochastic RSI. That doesn't mean we won't correct even more, but that means that we are going into an oversold situation. That means we might be going into a reaccumulation phase. And now we're ready to go to the price analysis. And right there, you can see on the 4-hour frame, getting rejected from the 20-day EMA. I think one of the most important support levels for SAND, in case we lose this support, the 2.37 will be the 2.28, and in case we just hold this support level right there, I think it will be fantastic. Okay, so a great rebuying entry for me will be the 2.2021 Tether USD. All right. And of course, I'm going to have you one more. Let's say that from here, we start climbing up and we do not go even down, which I think it is unlikely, but let's say that we kind of going upwards. I think that the best area in which you can rebuy, reinvest is if we break this area of resistance level for SANDBOX, okay, for SAND, okay. So you can see that 3.29, 3.28 Tether USD. If we break that, then I think we are going for sure to 3.70, which is a 15% profit target, and to 3.90 around there, which is a 20% profit target for SANDBOX. Okay, but these are the targets in case we just found the bottom right here and we go upwards. In case we find the bottom on the 2.20, this is a little bit down. The targets are a little bit further down, but you can see we can go to 3.74 and so on. Okay, which is a little bit higher, and we get a more of a high percentage if we get there, 17% for example, and 23% around here. Okay, 23% around here. So it is very, very possible, it is very likely that we go there and we find a little bit of a nice rebuying entry on the 2.20. Okay, because for the time being, I do not like the fact on the short term that we are getting rejected. On the short term though, we are not bearish. We are not at all bearish. You can see that we have so many support levels on the GANN tool. We have the correction, but the MACD has gone so further down that I think we will see a bullish recross soon, and I do believe that SANDBOX will soon be in an area where you can reaccumulate, especially when on the daily frame we go for the stochastic RSI below the 20. And before we close the video, do not forget to join the Buy Me a Coffee / Mind Your Crypto platform. You will find the link in the description down below and in the comment section. Monthly subscription, and you will be able to trade 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities. You will learn technical analysis through educational videos, and you will get many, many more benefits through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities and many more. So join in, you won't regret it. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.